Number 5, find this integral. Well, it'll go up 1 power, you add when you're integrating, so it'll go up to power 6, so it means it's either C or D, and then divide by that power is going to be divided by a 6, and also divide by the 2, so it must be the 12th. I'll set it out. So what would that be? You'd have 2x plus 9 to the power 6, take that out of the way, divide by the 6, and also divide by the derivative. So that's 1/12 of 2x plus 9 to the power 6 plus c. So it is indeed D. Number 6, find this linear combination of these two vectors. Well, if any of those had a unique answer in any one of the positions, you could home in on that component, but they're all doubled up over the place, so you may as well just work it out then. So that means you've got 2 lots of -3, 1, 0, minus 3 lots of 1, -1, 2. But you could do it in 2 steps at 1, it's up to you. That's -6, take away 3 is -9 for the first one, there's 2 of those. That's 2 plus 3, which is 5 for the next one. So that's A, just double check the last component. Nothing, take away 6 is -6, so it is indeed A. Number 7, here's a right angle triangle with the 3 sides given and an angle A, but it says what's the sine of twice that angle? Well, that's the case for expansion then. I'm not just going to get the sine 3 over root 34 and double it for 6 over root 34. The expansion is 2 sine A cos A. And that's quite good because it wouldn't matter if you got your sines and cosines mixed up, you still get the right answer. Sine is opposite the angle, that's the 3 over the root 34. And the cosine's adjacent, that's the 5 over the root 34. So you've got 2 times 3 is 6 times 5 is 30 on top, and the same number times itself, the same root times itself, will just pop the 34 back out. But cancelling that down by 2 gives you 15 over 17. And 15 over 17 is indeed there, it's number, or rather it's part C. Number 8, what's the derivative of this? Well, what's d by dx of this thing? A function of a function. Something to the power of half. So multiply by the power. Take 1 off the power. 1 off of a half is -1/2. It drops by 1. But look inside. Inside, it doesn't just say x, it's got this expression, so I'll need to multiply by the derivative of this. Well, there's nothing for the 4, but 4 times -9 is -36. Take 1 off the power, goes to x cubed. Then tidying up, a half of -36 is -18, then the x cubed, and then the bracket to the power of -1/2, and then look for that, and there it is, that's part D.